Come back. So here, using the same thing, how can we capture cities, right? But the problem with this is, or the condition here is, if I have to use Xpath for Jmeter, it should be like XML tags should be there. It should be within the tags. Then you can use this for your evaluation purpose. We can use conditions. Okay, we want to select the first and second actor. Only 1, 2 actor. Based on their position, you can put this position also. We'll just put this actor position equal to 3. First 2 only. Just click on the 7 here. Only first 2. We want only first 2 actors, then put text will pick this text. We will says text equal name. This is the text. And if I want some condition, already we have seen this condition. And if I want some kind of ID attribute, here, do they have any ID here? Yeah, here they have IDs, right? Whose ID is 1 or 2? Anyway, we have seen that condition. And one more thing, singers, right? Last one, how do you pick? You can see here. You want the first one, anyway, you just need to mention the number, that's it. If I want to pick the first one, here I can just put like this. Instead of last, you just need to put the number. So it will pick the first one. Okay, so this you can use this, or there are many platforms for practicing Xpath. For especially for Jmeter, this will nice platform. Now I want to capture cities using the Xpath, right? So we here, let me put it here instead of that. We'll put back the same cities. So this Xpath normally not working properly. So I need to mention. So this will work with a double backslash, not sure why. So the root means it is displaying all the elements under the root. So you can use the same thing here. I want only singer. I'll put these are all the singers. Right? Now I want to capture only the ID. So it will capture only the singer. I think I need to mention the entire thing. I need to mention who singer. Who singer is singers. First one is what? Root. So there is a difference between this one and this one. We better at the end of the day, it should now at least I will get this data first. Now I want to use the same thing, capturing our cities. Now we have these cities, right? Select name. I'll put this here. Now I want to capture, there is only one form. So here the problem with this XPath is it takes only double thing. Okay. Now out of this, I want to select what I want to select. Next one is what select, right? Let's say backslash select. You can see here two different selects are there. One is based on the this two port, these two selects are there, right? So now I want to capture what we need to capture. The next one is what? Option, right? After select, I got option. So it is displaying all 14, right? It is displaying all the 14, but I want what? I want only first. I mean, if I want only from port, I need to get the only first one, right? So here, select, I can just put the number here, that's it, 1. So it will capture only the first one. First one is what? From port. Okay. Or else I'll put here at the rate. Let us see if this will work. Yeah, you can do this one also. Instead of numbers, I want to put based on the name. Now I'll say select whose name is from port. From here, I'll just capture only the option. Here I'll put. Now I got only the from port city zone. Right? The same thing. Now let us go back to our script. On this one, sorry. Our script is this one. Right? Here now I want to capture all the cities using Xpath. Okay. Now let us see. Let me run this once. Here you have response body, right? The same way you have CSS, you also have Xpath test. Don't go with Xpath 2. I don't know. This will not work. Why they have given this? Select only Xpath tester. Here you need to select this one. Use PD tolerant parser. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. This is specific to Jmeter. Okay. And let me show this one. Here I want to use the same thing, like I want to capture what? Form. This is a form, right? What? Click on test, it will display the values. There is only one form. In the form, I put select. There are two selects are there. So will it work with single? So in Jmeter specific to always select start with the double backslash. Okay, and say form. Select which one I want to select. Same. Where the name at the rate name is from port. At the rate name equal to from port. Now you can see it is captured one, right? Let's just select the entire. If I select this entire, return the entire, so it will display the entire whatever it is selected. If you want only values, you can just click this. Now, what I want to capture? Option, tag name. Now let me click on text. Now I got the values. Only the from city values I got. If you select this entire path, it will return including this entire thing. Option 1, option 2. We don't want entire, right? I want only the actual value. Just click stop one. Out of this, how to capture random, you know. This is for what? From city. Right? It is easy using Xpath. You just need to mention the tag names by backslash, use your conditions here. That's it. Now I'll use Xpath Extractor. We have used boundary, regular expression, CSS, and this one is Xpath. Where is Xpath? Yeah. I'll put the name as from underscore city underscore CSS. Okay. Give the same thing here. Xpath query. Already we have tested this one. And for specific to, sorry, here I need to mention Xpath not CSS. And if I don't select this one, it won't work. Okay. You need to select this. Use it TD parser. I don't want to return the entire path. I want to capture only the values. So you mentioned the Xpath query. Already we tested here. Even though you tested in that platform, open source, it should work in your Jmeter. Once again, you need to put the expression and test it. I'll put it here. I want what? Random city from here. The same thing I want to capture for from city Xpath. I'll do it for two city. Right? Two city Xpath. Here I'll change the. Here, if I want to capture only the two city, then I'll put what? Form, after form, select within square bracket whose name is to put this one. You can either use numbers also. Okay. To put of what? I want of, sorry. Backslash form. Select whose name is to put backslash option. Now let me click on test. What did I do here? Spelling is wrong. Yeah. name equal to 24. Nothing. Sorry, at the rate I missed now. You have to put at the rate here. This is not this one, CSS. CSS directly you can put here, you need to mention at the rate. That's why it is not working. Now it is working. I want to capture the option values to capture it. Just put this 0 for random, right? Now, whether this is working or not, you can put from CP, sorry. Just putting in dummy sampler, we have this is 2 city using Xpath. I'll put this. Very rarely will use Xpath, but you should know how to use Xpath. You can use CSS selector extractor. Using Xpath also you can use. Now, if I run this, every time when I run, it will. You can see here. From city, Sao Paulo, Berlin. Mexico, Bruno is. Portland, New York. So, it will also not capture the wrong value. So, you can use either CSS or Xpath based on your interest or your request. Okay, you can practice this Xpath also. When it comes to Jmeter, it is different. Normally, automation they write this Selenium. They use Xpath more, but their version of Xpath it is different. There is nothing like TD tal. If I don't select this, right, your scripts will not work. See, this is specific to Jmeter. Okay, so you need to select use TD password, then it will work. So we covered almost all. So we are left with JSON extractor that I'll explain tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. See you tomorrow.